Hi guys, it's Jamie from Not Too Shabby. I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to come on and do a little sneak peek of tomorrow's release. We have the new January box coming out tomorrow, 9 a.m. Central Time. We're going to have a hop and giveaway. So those are always fun. You can do that. Join us every month for our hop and giveaway. There will be a $25 gift certificate prize up for grabs. And it's lots of fun to see all the inspiration. We have a new design team, so you're going to see new design team members on the hop, which I am super excited to see their projects. And so I hope you guys will join us. And I thought I'd do a little coloring today and wish you guys a happy new year. And I wish you all the best for 2022. I wish you a happy, safe, prosperous, healthy new year. And I really do feel like this is going to be a great year for Not Too Shabby. There's so many new things going on. We've got our new subscriptions. We've got the Box of the Month Club. We've got the Stamp and Die of the Month Club. We have the Mystery Kit collection. It's just been great, and next year is just going to be awesome. I am just looking so forward to it. So what is your New Year's resolution? I want to hear what you have set a goal for the new year. Let me know down below. For me, for my personal life, I definitely want to get back on my diet. So I've fallen off the wagon there, especially with the holidays, and I've got to get back on track. So let me see, for this card, it's going to be a very clean and simple card. I want to have the sentiment, "There's nobody like you," and have this little cute gnome standing on top of that sentiment. Ooh, a fun thing I want to know is, what theme would you like to see next for the Not Too Shabby Box of the Month? So our theme for tomorrow is Valentine's Day. So, you know, some of our themes are already planned, but I'd love to hear, you know, some themes that you'd like to see in the future. That's always fun. So leave that down below. I'd love to hear that. So I am going to use Memento Tuxedo Black to stamp my gnome. I'm going to leave the sentiment unstamped for now. I want to stamp that in the VersaFine Claire, just because I love using that ink for sentiments. Okay, I'm going to stamp this 2 or 3 times. I like my image to be nice and crisp. So not only do we have our Box of the Month release tomorrow, we have the Stamp and Die of the Month Club releasing tomorrow. So it was really cute set. I did a card with that. You'll see that on the hop tomorrow. We're also adding another hop. So on January 7th, we're going to do a YouTube hop for the Stamp and Die of the Month Club. So you'll get lots of inspiration for that club as well. So I recently announced the brand new design team for our YouTube video team and our Instagram digital stamp team. So I'll have the blog posts linked down below so you could follow along. I have all clickable links on the blog post. You can follow the new members, show them some YouTube love. And we also have the Instagram accounts for the digital creative team. So I think I'm going to color this up first and then stamp out the sentiments. I'm going to color his beard in grays. So I grabbed my W's, we got W6, W5, W3, and W1. So I'm just going to make some flicking motions and some hair strands. So I'm just going to bring up some hair strands starting from the bottom here. And then I'll go from the top as well, bringing some hair strands down. And then I'm going to work my way down. So now we're on W5. And I'm just going to go over the same line, kind of thickening it up and bringing it down a little bit further. I'm going to go back to the W6 and do another round. And I'm not staying exactly where I did the first flicks, making some new flicks. Okay, so there's my beard. So now I want to think about what colors to use for this cute little guy. Let's work on his face because I won't have to think about that. I'm gonna give him some rosy cheeks. So I got E11. I almost colored his feet peach. Then that would mean he's not wearing any shoes. That'd be funny. So now E00 and E000. And then I'm going to add the R20 on his nose. Did I say rosy cheeks? I meant a rosy nose. He doesn't have any cheeks. So he's going to have a rosy nose. And we can make his shoes match his hat. So I think I want to do red. So I'm going to grab R46, R27, and R24, and R17. So I'm going to do those stripes red and the little heart on top of his hat. I'm going to do the ends in the darkest color so we can have a little shine mark going down the middle with our lightest colors. So I want to thank you guys for making this year so great for Not Too Shabby. Thank you for your support. It means so much to us, and I can't wait to see what 2022 brings. It sounds so weird saying 2022. The numbers just keep getting larger and larger. It's crazy. Okay, so that's gonna look really cute. Gonna try to remember to leave a white highlight in the center here. Now I'm using R24. And then I'll finish up with R17. Okay, so think I'm going to do that balloon in red as well, because this is going to be very clean and simple. I don't want too many colors going on. So I'm going to take the same reds. Okay, now the accent color I think is going to look really cute with the teal. So I got BG13. Okay, so now his little shoes. I don't want to make red shoes because that reminds me of a clown. So I'm going to make brown shoes. Okay, so there's my gnome. And now I'm going to put my sentiment down. There, that is so cute. So I'm going to cut this down with a wonky stitch rectangle. Okay, so I'm going to be super brave and draw a little line and then a little swirly line for him to stand on. Oh boy. So let's put magnets down so this doesn't move. Oh, there's a magnet ruler that comes with this. So this is perfect. Okay, so we're gonna make a line going across for him to stand on. And then you can line this up to make sure everything is straight. So let's do that. Now, do I want the line behind him? Okay, let's do this. Okay, so I'm using a Prisma Color Premiere in 05. And I'm going to have to get down over here so I can see. Okay, so that's cute. I wanted to do a little like swirly at the end, but I'm afraid I'm gonna ruin it. I kind of want the line though to meet the same spot as the sentiment. Let's see. Maybe I could do a little. Okay, that's cute. And now I can mat this on some designer paper. Maybe that's going to be in this month's box for January. Don't want to give away too much. But look how yummy this paper is. That will be so cute. Just a touch of red, but not enough is going to be showing because this size here only gives you a little border. I might just mat this on a white card base. Okay, so I'm going to just mat this on some white cardstock. because this is going to be very clean and simple. Okay, so here's my very clean and simple card. Thank you for spending time with me today, and have a happy new year, and I'll see you next year. Bye guys.